Good morning, students. This is Vinay sir, your mathematics teacher. Once again, I welcome you all to the online class organized by Alchemy School. In the previous class, we all have seen how we can solve the exercise 2.3. Today, we will start the exercise 2.4. We will take some other word problems and we will try to find their solution. So, let's start the exercise 2.4. The first question of exercise 2.4 is, Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Okay. So whenever we are going to solve the equation, first of all we have to form the equation. Okay. And to form the equation, we have to follow the instructions which are given in the question. So when we see the question, we will find Amina thinks of a number. Amina is thinking any number that is not given here. So we can assume that Amina thinks a number as x. She is subtracting 5 upon 2 from 8. Okay, so she subtracts 5 upon 2 from x. She multiplies the result by 8. Whatever result she gets after subtracting 5 upon 2, she multiplies it by 8 and finally she gets the result 3 times the same number, 3 times of the same number she thought of. Okay, so let's see how we can find the solution of this question. So first of all, let Amina thinks a number x. Okay, so x is the number that Amina thinks. She subtract 5 upon 2 from x. Okay, so we can write here according to the question, she subtract 5 upon 2 from x. So we can write here x minus 5 upon 2. Whatever result she get, she multiply the result by 8 and finally she get the result 3 times of the number she has thought of. Okay, so she thought number x at the beginning, so her final result will be 3 times of the number x. Okay, so this is the final equation. Okay, this is the final equation that we got here. Okay, we have to solve this equation to find the value of x. Okay, so let's solve the equation. First of all, we have to open the bracket here. So when we are going to open the bracket, we have to multiply x by 8 and we have to multiply 5 upon 2 by 8. Okay, so we have to multiply 8 into x minus 5 upon 2 into 8 and the result will be 3x. Okay, when we multiply 8 and x, we get the result 8x, and when we multiply these two, we get here 8 5s are 40 upon 2, and we can multiply 5 and 8 and then after we can divide 40 by 2. So when we divide this 40 by 2, we get the result 20. Finally we get here 8x minus 20. When we divide this 40 by 2, we get the result 20 and then it is equal to 3x. Okay, now we have to transpose this 3x to this side, and this minus 20 we will take to the other side. So and 8x minus 3x is equal to, this is negative, when it goes to the other side it becomes positive. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. Okay, when we subtract this we get here 5x is equal to 20. So 5 is in multiplication with x, so when 5 is taken to the other side it will divide 20. So finally we get here x is equal to 20 upon 5. Okay, and this 20 will be divided by 5 and we get here x is equal to 4. So value of the x is 4. So we can write here Amina thinks a number 4. That's it. Now the next question that we all are going to take here from exercise 2.4 is question number 2. Question number 2 is, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay, so before we start to solve this question, we have to understand it properly. Okay, here in this case we have two number. Okay, and one number is 5 times of the other number. So when we take the first number as x, the other number will be 5x. Okay, when we add 21 to the both the numbers, we are getting some new numbers. The new numbers that we get here is x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Okay, these new number, in these new numbers, one number is twice the other number. Okay, so these are the information given here. We have to form the equation and then after we have to solve the equation and we have to find the number. Okay, let's see how we can find it. We are taking here question number 2 of exercise 2.4. Okay, so according to the question, a positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, so let one number is x. So when one number is x, so the other number will be 5x. Okay, new numbers after adding 21 to the both numbers are x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Okay, so when we added 21 we got the new numbers, that is x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. In these two new numbers, one number is twice the other number. Can you see and can you guess which is the which number is twice the other number? So when we see this 5x, already this number is greater, okay, and this number is smaller. It means that this number is twice of this number. Okay, so when we want to make equal these two numbers equal, already this number is twice of this number, and when we want to make these two numbers equal, we have to multiply this number also by 2. When you multiply this number by 2, this number and this number will become equal, and we can write here 2x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. Now these two numbers are equal and we have formed the equation. So now let's see how we can solve this equation. Okay, first of all we have to multiply these two to x and 21 both. First we will multiply this 2 to x, and then after we have to multiply this 2 to 21. Okay, so let's multiply it. 2 into x plus 2 into 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. When we multiply these two, we will get here 28. When we multiply 2x, we will get here 2x plus 21 to the 42, and this will be 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. This 5x will be taken to this side and 42 will be taken to this side. So 2x, and because it is here in addition, when it comes this side it will be subtracted. 5x, the same goes for this 42 also. It is here in addition, when it goes to the other side it will be subtracted. Okay, so we'll get here 21 minus 42. When you subtract this 5x from 2x, you get here minus 3x. When you subtract 42 from 21, you get here minus 21. Okay, so this minus and this minus will be cancelled. We get here 3x is equal to 21 and the x is equal to 21 upon 3. When we cancel it out, when we divide 21 by 3, so we get here x is equal to 7. Okay, so this is the value of x. Now we have to find the numbers. Okay, so the one number is, so the one number was taken as x. Okay, so the value of x we got here 7 is equal to 7. So the one number was 7. The other number was 5x. So this 5 is multiplied by 7 and we get here 5 7s are 35. Okay, so these are the two numbers. That's it. The next number that we all are going to take here is question number 3. Okay, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay, so let's try to understand this question first. Okay, we have a 2-digit number. Okay, and when we add the digits of the number, we get the result 9. Suppose that if we have 54 number, 5 plus 4 we get 9. Okay, so like that we have a 2-digit number, and when we add the digits of the number we get the result 9. Okay, when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So first of all we have to form here the original number. We have to find the new number after interchanging the digits. Okay, so what will be the new number? That is very important to see at the first stage of this question. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, the question is question number. According to the question, sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Okay, so if we have, so let one digit of 2-digit number is x. So the other digit will be 9 minus x. Okay, because we have 2-digit number, and when we add 2 digits we get the result 9. So when we subtract the first digit from the 9 we get the other digit. Okay, so now we can form the original number by taking these 2 digits. Okay, so students, we know that in a 2-digit number the digits of the number represent the different places. One digit represent unit place and the other digit represent tens place. So in this case, suppose that x is representing unit place and 9 minus x is representing tens place. To form the numbers, we can write here 10 9 minus x plus x. That is the original number. Okay, so this is our original number. Okay, now according to the question, according to the question, we can interchange the places of digit. It means that the unit place, the unit number, unit digit goes for the tens digit, and this tens digit goes to the place of unit digit. Okay, and when we change these places, when we change the places of these digits, we get a new number. So according to the question, we can change the places of these two digits to form a new number. So this x will take the place of 9 minus x, and this 9 minus x will take the place of x, and we get here new number. So let's see. Okay, so when we interchange the places, we get here 10x plus 9 minus x, and this is the new number. Okay, this is the new number. So it is given in the question, the new number is greater than the original number by 27. So when you want to make these two numbers equal, either you can subtract 27 from the new number, or you can add 27 to the original number, then only you can say both the numbers are equal. Okay, so let's see. So we can write here original number plus 27 is equal to new numbers. Okay, why? Because it is given the new number is already 27 greater to the original number. So we have added 27 to the original number to make both the numbers equal. Okay, now we have the equal number. Okay, now we can write the original number here. What is the original number? That is 10 9 minus x plus x, okay, plus 27 is equal to new number. What is the new number? That is 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay, let's solve this question. Okay, so first of all we have to multiply this by 10. This 9 will be multiplied by 10 and x will be multiplied by 10. Okay, so 9 into 10 minus x into 10 plus x plus 27 is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. This will be 90. This will be 10x plus x plus 27 is equal to 10x, and 1x will be subtracted here. So 9x plus 9. Here 90 so 90 plus 27, we get here 117, and this minus and plus will be subtracted, and we get here minus 9x will be 9x plus 9. Okay, so now the variables will be taken to the one side. So we can write here 9x, and this 9x will come to this side, to minus 9x is equal to minus 117 plus 9. This minus minus will be added, and we get here minus 18x is equal to, when we subtract this 9 from 117, we get here 108, and this will be negative because the negative is the greater number. Okay, so now this minus and minus will be cancelled here, and we get here the value x is equal to 108 upon 18. Okay, so when we divide 108 by 18, we get the value of x will be 6. X is equal to 6. Okay, we got the value of x here. Now we have to form the number. Okay, what was the original number? Is equal to 10 9 minus x plus x. It was our original number, so we have to put the value here. 10 9 minus 6 plus 6. So now we can write here 10 into 6 will be subtracted from 9, and we get here 3 plus 6. So when we multiply these two numbers, we get here 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. So 36 is the number. Okay, you can see when we add 3 and 6, we get here 9. Okay, so you can write your statement. So the number is 36. Okay students, so we all have seen how we can solve the question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Practice for these questions. Try to find the solution of other questions by yourself. When we meet in the next period, we'll take some other question from the same exercise. Okay, till then keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.